is a technology where everyday devices are connected to the internet to share and collect data. In a case study, IoT helps more efficiency and make tasks easier in real life. Further, we'll explain Suviksha.
So here we are going to present a case study based on smart agriculture in IoT. So in this we connect a device using a sensor and then we use a software to connect storage and data to analyze the temperature of agriculture. So in this the key components are sensors and devices. In that it detects the environmental changes and using certain sensors like soil moisture sensor. And then connectivity for using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and several like 5G uses. And then data processing using cloud platform and analyzing those data using storage devices. User interface uses mobile applications and dashboards.
So since she told about what is IoT, let's try using it in a real world application. Let's take farming. Because agriculture is the backbone of our country and over the world. And what are the problems in agriculture is that around 70% of fresh water is taken for agriculture, which results in water scarcity. And also as the year passes, now more than 7 billion people are in this world where the demand of food is increasing year by year. So let's say what are farmers facing in agriculture? What are the problems? The first is, let's say, over irrigation or low water supply. The plants are induced to overwater or less water, which affects their growth. The second one is the weather conditions. Weather is really unpredictable these days because some days it's sunny and some days it's rainy. So it's really unpredictable. And the third is the manpower. So since all of the youth and the generation now are moving into the technical industries now, people who are induced in agriculture are really low. So we should try proposing a solution for this.
So coming up with a solution, IoT used to transform traditional farming into a smart farming by using sensor devices and mobile applications. So some common sensors are like small soil moisturizer sensor, which used to check the type of soil and detect whether it is dry or wet, which helps to reduce overwatering and can increase the amount of water saving. Second, we use weather monitoring, which is used to predict the rainfall, temperature and wind speed, which allows the farmers to plan when to sow and when to harvest. Third, it comes to for drones, which are used to monitor the crops and which are also used for fertilizing. The fourth, it comes to cattle monitoring, which are used in animals and it is used to track the health and movements of animals, which makes them losing or deaf. Third, fifth, it comes to mobile applications, so which helps the farmers to get immediate updates when that is like example we need to harvest tomorrow, like that updates are being given through mobile applications. So one real-time example is in Andhra Pradesh, IoT farming has been implemented and it's over 30%